Must be right here. So, my son Nehemiah is transitioning from preschool to primary school in September. So, I am embarking upon a journey of looking for the best schools for him from all now. One of my first schools that I'm going to be calling in just a few minutes is Student Remediation Center Private Primary School. It's a school located right in the Southland in Marabella, 165 Union Road. I think that's what it said on the ad that I saw. I'm just going to call the office. I'm going to chat with someone in admin, and I'm going to see if they will allow me to come in for this week coming up here to meet with some key people like the principal and whoever else they think might be fitted for me to meet so that I can get a feel and, just to know if this is the right fit for me and Nehemiah. So I'm going to be vlogging the entire experience so that you could come on this journey with me. So I'm about to call now. Let's see.
SRC, good day.
Hi, good day.
Hi, good day.
My name is Jimasri Wright, and I wanted to get some information from you.
Sure, no problem.
So I'm interested in bringing my son to your establishment, but I just wanted to know if I could just speak with you for a little bit to get some more information.
Sure, how can I help?
So can you just tell me a little bit about the school?
No problem. SRC is a private primary school located in Marabella. We cater for infants straight to standard 5. So we take them in from the age of 5 up until the age of 13. How old is your son?
My son will be 5 in September, so I'm really looking for schools from now. He'll be transitioning from preschool to primary school in September, so I'm looking from all now.
That's great. That's a perfect time to get him enrolled with us because we have a wonderful infant department and I'm sure he's going to fit right in.
Oh, this is so awesome.
Yes.
So tell me, what's your name, by the way?
My name is Miss Berkeley.
Okay, hi, Miss Berkeley.
Hi.
So tell me, as an interested parent, what are some of the things I need to know about the enrollment process?
Sure. One of the things we encourage parents to visit our office located in Marabella so that you can come in and get the enrollment process started. One of the first things we will do with you after filling your forms is book an assessment for the student. And that assessment allows us to know exactly where the child is right now, as well as where we would like to see him by the end of the term, as well as the end of the academic year.
Okay, this is
Yeah.
some good stuff, Miss Berkeley.
Sure.
So tell me, seeing that I am transitioning from this whole preschool thing into primary school for paranoid parents like myself, how do you facilitate parent visits at the school?
Well, at SRC, we have our open door policy. So parents and interested participants can visit our office. We're open Mondays to Fridays from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Or they can contact us, whether through Facebook, through WhatsApp, or they can visit our website, Student Remediation Center.
Also, you use WhatsApp. That
Yes, we
is so
do.
cool. So, like, if I had questions or queries about like schoolwork or any concerns that I may have had with my son's day at school, I could WhatsApp these things to you.
Yes, you can, and even if our office is closed, someone will respond to you when we reopen in the morning.
Oh, this is really cool. So, well, I know I Googled schools in San Fernando and I saw this school come up on Google Ads, right? So tell me, what are some other places that, we could get some information about SRC?
Well, like I said, you can visit our Facebook page. We are also on Instagram as well. So you can always look out for our posts and updates there as well.
Nice.
And of course, you can visit our website, studentremediationcenter.com.
Oh, wow, wow. Thank you so much, Miss Berkeley.
You're most
So, Miss
welcome.
Berkeley, I know you would have had calls like a million calls like this and several other visits and stuff like that. could you tell me, like, what advice you would give, potential or new parents that are looking to enroll with SRC?
One of the things I encourage parents to do is to be mindful of who your child is. Each child is different, each child learns differently, and at SRC we keep that in mind when planning our lesson plans for students.
Wow.
Yeah,
All right, Miss Berkeley. I look forward to visiting the office tomorrow.
no problem.
And would I be able to meet with the principal? Is she available to meet with me tomorrow?
Well, what we can do is we can schedule a meeting with you and the principal. So let me work on that and I'll get back to you.
That would be great. Thank you so much, Miss Berkeley, and I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow and for the rest of the week.
No problem. Look forward to meeting with you as well.
All right, bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
So there you have it, guys. That was my first introductory call to SRC Private Primary School. I'm excited to see what this week is going to hold, and I can't wait to take you guys on this journey with me.